This kind of slim laptop is delicate to open. Moreover, it is a touchscreen and we must be careful as we tear it down. Choose the appropriate screwdriver. Look on the screws. If your screws are star head, use a star head screwdriver. If you have Allen head, choose the appropriate screwdriver. Start by opening the cork, the back cover of our machine. After removing the screws, we use a plastic peg to remove the cover. Don't use anything hard, or else you will scratch the machine. Next, we unplug the battery terminals. Carefully unplug the battery terminals. Then use your screwdriver choose the appropriate screwdriver to unscrew the battery. I've just located the SSD storage device.